Students, today I am going to tell you about two other parts of speech that are adjective and conjunction. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes, qualifies, or shows the quality of a noun. It gives the reader more specific information about an object, size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Look at these examples. It's a big table. It's a round table. It's an old table. It's a brown table. It's an English table. It's a wooden table. It's a lovely table. It's a broken table. It's a coffee table. So all these adjectives are showing the quality of a noun, that is stable. Big is showing its size, round is showing its shape, old is showing its age, brown is showing its color, English is showing its origin, wooden is showing its material, and lovely is describing its quality. Broken is showing a sort of observation, and coffee is showing its purpose. So all these adjectives are showing the quality of a table. Let's discuss different kinds of adjectives. Look at this single sentence. My two pink sweaters are over there. Look at this word, my. My is used here as a possessive adjective, and two is used as an adjective of number. Pink is showing the quality of a sweater, and it is called adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. And here look at this word there. There is showing demonstrative adjective. It's showing that where it is lying. It means the sweater is lying over there, so it's showing its place. It is called demonstrative adjective. All adjectives are not the same. They modify nouns and pronouns differently. First of all, let's discuss adjective of quality. Among the different kinds of adjectives, descriptive adjectives are probably the most common ones. They simply say something about the quality or the kind of a noun or pronoun they are referring to. Adjectives of quality answers the question of what kind. For example, my friend is very witty. She is tired. Here the word witty that is used as an adjective is showing the type of person my friend is. Similarly, the word tired is used as an adjective, and it is showing the condition of a particular lady. Adjective of number or adjective of quantity. As the name suggests, this kind of adjective answers the question how many or how much. For example, 21 students failed the exam. Here 21 is showing the number of students, so it would be called as adjective of number. And look at another example. The plants need more water. Here the word more is used as an adjective of quantity because it's showing the quantity of water. So adjective of number and adjectives of quantity are also followed by a noun. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out nouns and pronouns and always come before the words they are referring to. For example, I used to buy this kind of shirt. When the old man tripped over that wire, he dropped the whole bag of groceries. So this and that pointing out towards certain type of things. Possessive adjectives. Obviously, this kind of adjectives show as ownership or possession. Possessive adjectives always come before the noun. For example, my dress is beautiful. He sold his house. So look at this word my. My is followed by a noun dress. Similarly, his is also followed by a house, that is also a noun. Next type of adjective is called interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives ask questions and are always followed by a noun. What movie are you watching? What movie are you watching? Which plants should be placed over here? So these interrogative adjectives are also followed by noun. Look at this example. What movie? Movie is a noun, and plants is also a noun. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective refers to each and every person, thing separately is called distributive adjective. Each, every, either, neither, any, one, both are examples of distributive adjectives. Let's look at these examples, how these distributive adjectives are used in sentence. Each boy was given a chocolate. Every nation is proud of its culture. Neither of them got majority. Either of you can collect the prize. I love any song that he sings. Choose the one you like. Both of them are in the room. After discussing different types of adjectives, let's look at the degrees of adjectives. What are the degrees of adjectives? There are only 3 degrees or level of adjectives, also known as degrees of comparison, like positive, comparative, and superlative. So there are 3 kinds of degrees called positive, comparative, and superlative. When we talk about or describe only a single person, place, or thing, you should use the positive degree. For example, she is a beautiful lady and it was a memorable trip. So these 2 adjectives are showing the quality of a single person and single thing. If we are comparing 2 persons, places, or things, it is appropriate to use the comparative degree of the word. Normally, we will need to add er to transform the word into its comparative form, or add the word more. The word then should be added after the adjective in the comparative degree. So look at these examples, how a comparative degree is used. This house is bigger than that one. He is more intelligent than his brother. So these examples are showing that comparative degree is used when we are comparing 2 things. And for words ending in y, you can first change the y into I and then add er. For example, lovely, lovelier, pretty, prettier, tasty, tastier. In this way, you can change the first degree into a second degree, that is also called a comparative degree. So this is the way you can change comparative degree. Lastly, if you are comparing more than 2 things, the superlative form of the adjective is used and the definite article the should be added before the adjective. In order to transform the adjective into its superlative form, you just have to add the suffix est or the word most. He is the most intelligent student in the class, and this is the most crucial match of the seasons. So it's evident from these examples that superlative degree is used when we are comparing more than two things. And how we can form superlative degree? Words ending in y, we first change the y into I and then add est. For example, lovely, loveliest, pretty, prettiest, tasty, tastiest. So in this way we can form the superlative degree. And now look at conjunctions, another part of speech. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases or clauses. There are usually three types of conjunctions. Coordinating, first type of conjunction is called coordinating, and these are the conjunctions that connect two words or group of words with similar values. They may connect two words, two phrases, two independent clauses or two dependent clauses. How these type of conjunctions connect two words? For example, Ali and Raza are the best friends. Connect two phrases. He seemed poorly groomed yet well mannered. Here poorly groomed is a phrase and well mannered is also a phrase. So yet is connecting these two phrases. Connect two clauses. I love junk food, yet I know it is not good for me. So yet is connecting two clauses or two sentences. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions in the English language, and they are often remembered by using the acronym FANBOYS. FANBOYS stands for F for fan. F is used for, A is used for and, N is used for nor, B is used for but, and O is used for or, Y is used for yet, and S is used for so. So coordinating conjunctions are also called FANBOYS. Let's look at these example how these coordinating conjunctions or FANBOYS are used in these sentences. Let's not fight about the past, for today is a new day. My younger sister and brothers are very naughty. I don't expect students to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. He likes Coke but hates pasta. You can eat your cake with a spoon or fork. He is very friendly, yet I don't like him. I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat any meat. So in all these examples you can see that FANBOYS have been used, and FANBOYS are called coordinating conjunctions. The other type of conjunctions is called subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect two groups of words by making into one subordinating clause. The subordinating clause acts as an adverb, answering the questions when and why about the main clause, or imposing conditions or opposition on it. Here are some examples of subordinating conjunctions: changing a clause into adverbial subordinating clauses in different ways. Look at these examples. I can go for shopping after I finish studying for my exams. So here after is showing the time. Okay, when I can go for shopping, when I will finish studying for my exam. So he is unable to buy costly things because he is poor. Here because is showing the reason. I will help you if you come. Now here if is used as a subordinating conjunctions, and if is showing the condition. The other type of conjunction is called correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are always used in pairs. They are similar to coordinating conjunctions because they join sentence elements that are similar in importance. The following are some examples of correlative conjunctions. Both and, both Ali and Zia are my students. Neither Ali nor Zia attended the meeting. Not only, but also. Not only he is a professional footballer, but also he is a successful businessman. Either or. It's my final year. You can either take it or leave it. It's my final offer. You can either take it or leave it. So in all these examples you can see that two conjunctions are used at the same time in a single sentence. So that's why they are called correlative conjunctions. So this was all about adjective and conjunctions. I hope you might have clear idea about these two parts of speech. Thank you for watching.